Get ready with me for this makeup look. This is Inside Cosmetic Primer. This primer is really good for oil controlling. Next is this Fit Me foundation. This is in shade 115. This foundation gives matte plus poreless finish. So if you want to invest in a good foundation in this festive season, you can definitely go for this. You can buy this from nyakapurple.com or Amazon. So this is lighter than my shade, but I can't buy another one until this gets over. Next is this Fit Me concealer. This is in shade 10. So this Fit Me concealer is really great for beginners because it is in mid price range. So this concealer's coverage is medium and can be built up, and yes, this is easily blendable, but this is little drying, so blend quickly. Next is this elf cosmetic eyebrow pencil. This is in shade neutral brown and I am in love with this eyebrow pencil. So I'm using this Lakme loose powder to set my under eyes, and also I set my full face. So next we are going to use this James Charles eyeshadow palette. So next I will take a silver shimmery shade to apply on my lid. Always apply eyeshadow on your lower lid, so this will make your eyes look little bigger. And this is elf cosmetics eyeliner. This eyeliner glides on easily. So I am using this palette to contour my face. I took a brown shade as contour and I took a pink shade as blush, and I'm applying all over my cheeks and nose. So I took that similar shade which I applied on my eyelid and using it as highlighter. This is Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick in shade Ruler. Next I will use this Avon Mark lipstick as highlighting my lip. So this is how my makeup turned out. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.